welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate content ideas. Now, in the previous video on this my series of how to become a content creator, I've created a video on how you can be able to use YouTube, how you can create a YouTube channel as well as customize it so you can now use it, to create your videos. Now the next step you now need to take is how do you now find content ideas, that you can now, or content topics that you now need to create videos on. And the second thing is how can you now be able to create those videos based on any topic at all in your niche, the niche that you've chosen to work with. So first of all, what we're going to do is you're going to find topics that people are already searching for on the internet. Then that's what we're going to do, and after we do that, we are now be able to create videos using those topics. So the reason why it's recommended that you first of all find topics that people are searching for is so that it will help you, to help drive massive audience to your channel. That's one of the things it will help you do. And secondly, it will not be and the more people are coming to your channel, that's the easier it will be for you to monetize your channel. So that's the reason why it's very recommended that you first of all get the problem of people, then you now refer solutions to them. So that is why we are going to find what people are already searching on the internet, and then we'll now make videos about that, then publish it on our YouTube channel. So to do that, first of all, what you have to do is I'm going to show you how you can now use YouTube and Google as well. Maybe in the next video or in the next video I'm going to create, I'm going to show you about 5 or multiple ways you can now be able to find content ideas. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube and as well as Google to find topics that people are searching for on the internet, and how you can now create videos on these topics. So follow me as you learn how you can do that. So first of all, what we have to do is to be able to find key terms or keywords that people are searching for, or topics people are searching for on YouTube. First of all, what you have to do is go over to your incognito mode. Now remember, you can use either your phone, your smartphone, or you can equally do this on your PC. So go over to your smartphone incognito tab or your PC incognito tab, and then type in YouTube. So once you come to this area, go to youtube.com. so we are going to use the YouTube algorithm to be able to dictate what people are already searching on YouTube itself. So also after we are through doing that, we also use Google to dictate what people are searching on Google. Then we'll now also validate those topics, and we'll now start creating videos. And remember, I said I'll be showing you in this series of content creation, I'll show you how to create videos without even showing your face, and how you can even create videos without even needing to talk to the camera or talk so people will hear your voice and the rest of them. So first of all, let's go ahead to get what people are searching for. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the food niche as a case study here. So all I will have to do is to go to this search area here, and I'll click on this search. Then I'll search for, let's say, because I'm in the food niche now, let's say my niche is all about or talks about food. So I'll go ahead and search for how to cook. Now I'll have to leave this here, and as you can see, look at the recommendations YouTube is giving me. As you can see here, I'm seeing how to cook fried rice, how to cook egusi soup, how to cook spaghetti, how to cook jollof rice, and bunch of keywords here, as you can see. So if I type that is in let's say you are your niche is the food niche, this can be key terms that you can target and make videos about. For instance, how to cook fried rice, how to cook egusi, and the rest of them. So now you can even say how to cook. Maybe if people, okay, let's just go over here and click on how to cook fried rice. You can equally tweak a keyword if people have already made videos about such keywords or those topics. What do I mean by that? For instance, if you look at this video here, the first video that is ranking here for over 7 years. Wow. Now one of the things you have to take off in YouTube is the fact that the more you make videos, the newer the video, that's the more it is likely to rank, because a video that is ranking for over 7 years now is something that is outdated. Yes, it's something that is outdated. So what you have to do, as you can see, this video here is 5 minutes long. Now let me show you what you can do if you want to, let's say you want to rank for this video here. I'll just give you a tip here, then maybe in the later video we'll discuss more on how you can be able to rank your videos on YouTube. So first of all, you have to do here is, let's say this video, the first video is ranking here is about 6 minutes long. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that the video you are going to create is about 10 minutes long. Yes, make sure it's about 10 minutes long, and use the right keyword as a startup for your video. What do I mean by that? This video here, this video, the third video we have here, is not using the right keyword, but rather the reason why YouTube is equally recommending this video here is because of some key terms. It's fine, it dictates on the headline here. As you can see, it says set up your fried rice and so on. So if you have to discover that there are some key terms here, which is fried rice, cooking, and the rest of them, which you can see here. That is why YouTube has to recommend this video here. So but you have to first of all take note of using the right keyword we have, like the first video, the second video, the third video, the fourth video, the fifth video. None of these videos used the right term here, which is how to cook fried rice. So if you're to rank for this keyword, you can just make videos on how to cook fried rice using this keyword. Just put it up there, make your videos to be 10 minutes long, and show step by step on how you can be able to both from the condiments area to everything. You just need to prepare a fried rice. You can just do that in a form of a video. Now let's say someone has created this video and you probably want to tweak it, to see that okay, I push it more further so that people can understand more or how they can be able to do a particular stuff. Okay, now what you just have to do is, for instance, let's say how to cook fried rice. I can equally go and say how to cook fried rice, and I put a space tab, and you are going to see something here. As you can see, it says how to cook fried rice at home, how to cook fried rice Nigerian, how to cook fried rice with chicken, how to cook fried rice. So there are many bunch of keywords that you can use. Now the reason why you don't need to do this, now this is you notice that you have to take note of the reason why you don't need to do this on your ordinary YouTube. What do I mean by that? Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So this is why you don't need to do it in a tab like this, is because the more you make searches on YouTube algorithm picks those searches that you make. So that is why if you now happen to watch a video, YouTube will equally recommend a similar video to you. So for you to be able to get the exact thing that people are searching on YouTube, you have to go as incognito tab, because in this incognito tab nobody is going to see, or the algorithm will not dictate it is you that is searching for something like this. I don't know if you get. So it will not recommend something that people are searching on its inner dashboard or something like that. So what you have to do here is just make sure you make your searches here. So I can equally go ahead to say how to, let's say I'm in the fashion field, how to become a fashion, and let's see what it will give us. So it says how to become a fashion designer. Okay, let's say how to become a fashion designer. I'll give it a space tab for beginners, for bit life without a degree at a young age, with no experience, step by step. So if you're the type that's in fashion designing, you can equally go ahead and make videos like this. So let me click on this search here and let's see what is going to show us. So if I click on this search here, you see this first video here, which is ranking for over 3 years now, is how to become a fashion designer, which means this person has this SEO in upstairs, like the person knows what he's doing. So that is why his video is equally ranking for over 3 years. The video has been ranking how to become, he targeted the keyword how to become a fashion designer, and this keyword is equally making waves on YouTube here. So as you can see, this is some of the things you have to take note of why you are creating, before you start creating your video actually. So you have to make sure that first of all the keyword you from the algorithm is something that you're going to use, is something you're going to use. For instance, if you go here, we can equally say fashion designer vlogs, fashion design school, and fashion designer making clothes, and rest of them. So now this is how you can now be able to find keywords that you can make videos about. These are keywords you can make videos about using YouTube. This is how to find keywords you can make videos about using YouTube. Now the next the next one I'm going to show you here is how you can be able to find keywords that you can make or content ideas you can make videos on using Google itself. What do I mean by that? So if I go over here and let me search for google.com. So if you go ahead and search for google.com, go over here and search for google.com, you're going to see now for this google.com, what you just need to do, you don't need to sign in or anything. Remember, we are in the incognito mode, and that's where you are supposed to be. So once you click on this area here, let's say equally going to search for food, or let me say, okay, let me go ahead and search for something that is very different from food. Let's search for politics, or let's say how to, or let me not use a how-to guide also. But the reason why I normally use how-tos is because how-tos is mostly referred to as a keyword in form of guide, where you're trying to show somebody something. Why? And you know that when it comes to YouTube videos, you are trying to teach someone or you are trying to show somebody something. I don't know if you can understand that. So that is why I'm using how most of the times. Now we can equally say how to make let's say how to make, oh yes, you can see what it's showing me, how to make money online, how to make. Now these are keywords people are searching for: how to make pancakes, how to make puff-puff, how to make cake. Now all these keywords here, or all these topics you're seeing here, or content ideas here, does not have a specific niche. You understand? So that is why you need to get your niche first, so that when you're making a search, it will be for only your niche. I don't know if you understand that. So now you can equally go on to say, let's say if I'm in the food niche, I can pick this one which says how to make meat pie. You understand? How to make chin chin, how to make cake. If I'm in the food niche whereby I know how to do all these things, then I can go ahead and pick this keyword or pick these key terms. Now this is how you can be able to find or generate keywords also from Google. So for instance, I can equally say how to let's say, let me make a search on how to review. I can say how to review as you can see, how to review a book, how to review a book chapter. Let's say I'm someone who loves reading and I would like to create videos on how someone can review a book, teach people how. Let's say if you are the type that has idea on writing and the rest of them, so you can equally come up here to make, or you can say, okay, let me just make another search here: how to become a travel agent. As you can see, how to become a travel agent, and how to become. So if you are the type that wants to become a travel agent and the rest of them, you can go on to do all these things here, and you'll be able to find a tons of keywords. As you can, this is something that Google, all you have to understand here is that Google is the one recommending these keywords for you. So which means that these are key terms people are searching on Google on daily basis. You understand? They're searching for these keywords on daily basis, and because they're searching for these keywords, Google is trying to show it to you, so you'll be able to create contents that they will be able to show to those people that are searching for this kind of topics. I don't know if you understand that. So you can see here that people equally went to search for how to become I guess I saw how to become a Yahoo boy, as you can see, and the rest of them. So these are things that you are likely to see people are searching on the internet on a daily basis. So these are the two ways you can be able to use. The reason why I'm showing you these two terms, which is YouTube and Google, is because Google owns YouTube, as well as because YouTube is also the second most search engine in the whole world. So most times you can see on Google is some people that normally go to Google to search for things equally go to YouTube to search for such key terms, because when they don't find the right guide what they need on Google, they will go over to YouTube to find or look for such key words. So that is why I'm showing you how you can be able to find key content ideas using, or how you can generate content ideas using YouTube, and as well as how you can generate ideas using Google. So with this kind of idea generation, you cannot be able to create more ideas and be able to go deeper on what your niche is all about. So in the next video, I'm equally going to show you more different ways, or different ways you can be able to get more content ideas, or how you can generate more content ideas using tools, using softwares, and the rest of them. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and like or dislike, and also comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.